Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of traditional Indian cuisine and learn how to make a delicious Sheer Khurma. So, let's get started. Sheer Khurma is a popular Indian dessert made from vermicelli, milk, and dates. It's a classic dish that's often served during the holy month of Ramadan, but it's also enjoyed throughout the year. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of vermicelli, 1 liter of milk, 10-12 dates, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a half teaspoon of cardamom powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of saffron. Let's get cooking. Start by boiling the milk in a large pot. Once it's boiling, add the vermicelli and cook until it's soft and tender. While the vermicelli is cooking, soak the dates in warm water for about 10 minutes. This will help soften them and make them easier to blend. Once the vermicelli is cooked, drain the milk and set it aside. In a blender, combine the dates, ghee, sugar, cardamom powder, and saffron. Blend until smooth, and then pour the mixture back into the pot with the milk and vermicelli. Stir well to combine. And there you have it, folks. A delicious Sheer Khurma ready to be devoured. This dish is perfect for any occasion, and it's a great way to introduce your family and friends to the wonderful world of Indian cuisine. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!